Hello students, today we will learn how to link your spreadsheet with the Twitter account. Since we are managing customer information from our sheets, it makes sense that we could interact with the customer directly from the spreadsheet. So, in the way you are having the Twitter option, your Twitter account to be connected to your spreadsheet, the responses you are going to get from your Twitter, they all will be saved in your spreadsheet automatically. So what we have to do is, we are having the Zapier here, the zapier.com. So we are going to add the Google Sheets plus the Twitter. What combinations we are having here? You can save Twitter to a Google Sheet spreadsheet. You can also save the responses, which your new responses you are getting from your Twitter account. You can add new tweets to your Google Sheets. You can also save the Twitter mentions to a Google spreadsheet. You can also record new Twitter followers into a Google spreadsheet by using this app. These are the features you get from the Twitter by Zapier. You can also link your URL with the spreadsheet, like you just press the URL. You're having the Twitter account. Anything you want to say. This is a text. It is text here, not the text. A Twitter intent URL is structured like this. You could use this URL anywhere to quickly send tweets without jumping into Twitter. Instead, what happens is that when you click the link, it will either pop up a window or open a new tab quickly, or publish your tweet when you're going to tweet anything on the Twitter. So this is a URL you can see to text anything to your Twitter account. You can also integrate your spreadsheet with some other applications that are found in the Zapier. There are more social accounts like Facebook pages, like Google Drive, Google Plus, whatever you want to save the informations or the notifications to a spreadsheet. You can use these one through Zapier. Thank you.